Good morning, everyone. Today is the last day of goose season here in western South Dakota. We are hunting with students from South Dakota School of Mines. So I've been out here this weekend. Yesterday we ended up, as you could tell, we got that, that 9-man limit. So this morning hopefully we can do the same. As you can see behind me, we're just getting things set up. We got the decoys unloaded, but we're just starting to restubble some of our layout blinds. So once we get a little more light and we get the decoys all set out, I'll give you an idea of what we're working with.
Whatever you think is what's best.
Is this where they're going to go begin trying to get them all out? Make sure.
Yeah.
Blinds are coming together.
Yeah.
Well, we ended up just getting set up for our morning shoot. We're ending up with 9 guys today. We're dealing with a west wind, about 10-15 mile an hour, and it's about 22 degrees out here, so it's a little bit colder. Pretty nice. We set up our decoys, so we'll have an angle shot here. Have our cameraman down here. See if we can really get some good footage for today, and hopefully today's gonna turn out pretty well.
Hey, we got this 4-pack off to the left too. What a pound.
Oh! Let's go.
Who let that one slide? Oh, hey, we're gonna kill. Let's kill the two. He's not.
They did it frickin' dirty.
Those 4 were quiet.
Yeah. We can line them up, and they were lined up good too. People here.
I got 2. Those 2.
We have geese still coming.
There's 2 in the sky over there. I don't know where those are. They're coming this way. They're coming this way.
Yep. Let's just get down. Oh yeah, they're in front of us. Do it.
Hey, that one's running away.
Go get it.
Woo! Connor, run, go,
Somebody
quick.
go get that geese.
I got it. Cameraman got this one.
I promise you don't step on that collar.
There we go. We got it. Well, like you guys know, Kent has been supporting us since the beginning of this series, and they've been sending us with a case of shells. So these guys have been shooting their new Fast Steel 2.0. If you guys haven't shot it yet, make sure to look into it for next season, given that it's already the end of season, but maybe if you guys get after some snows, consider picking a box up. These guys have been a huge supporter of this series and these students that get out here every day, go scouting, put in the time, and get after the birds. So thank you, Kent, for the support. All these guys, truly appreciate it. All right, got Connor here, he's on the short flight. We got Long John down there. Got some geese where that tree's at over there. I'm not sure if you guys can see them or not. Close
So like little goose over there. Let's go easy on the call until they get past us. So that flocking surf one is? They're gonna have an accident over there. Oh, those are new birds though.
The single wants it.
We got like a 5-pack. I'm ready to all that. There's not a 5-pack. Oh, hey, flock right here. No, left.
Oh, they're so low.
That one's bellied up. Good. I want to know we just shot bellied up.
That belly up is gonna fuck us. Well, I want to make sure we don't have goose here today. Okay, these ones are starting to fall. You kill that one? Yeah. Oh my Lanta boys. Yeah. Make sure that one gets. I know. There's more geese coming. Oh wait, no, those are going away. That's Yoki for you. Yeah, you getting this off the road here? Just fucking fold up on me. You have a lot coming to the left. Where do I run? There's a single to the left. It's no. They were so freaking pumped up.
There's a double on our left. There's another flock coming to our left. Big flock to our left.
Oh, why didn't I shoot that one? I got up and I was looking around.
Well, that's what I was worried about. Everything was fine.
Looked like it
That single's coming. Darn cornstalk, I tell you what. Alright, see if he comes. Where's he at? Where's he at? Let's find him on the camera. Did he land? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's down.
Hold on.
2, 1,
Yeah, you got it.
Being good.
Nope. Nope.
I know, I'm just saying. They're seeing our hide, 100%. We're set out of the decoys, but without a doubt, they're still catching our hide. What are we at, 13 or 14 or something? We're still killing them, but all the big bunches are coming right over the top of us, and they're picking us apart. It's late season geese. It's kind of to be expected, and we don't have pretty much any wind, and it's cloudy, so they're seeing our faces and stuff. So we're just trying to do what we can to scratch them out. Let's grab some of these decoys and push them out just a little bit. Just a little bit away from our blind. Anytime that they start seeing our hide, I want to get their eyes off of us. So what I'm trying to do now is I want them to be looking at a spread and not the dark blind.
Gotcha.
I mean, we have everything sloped really good, but I mean, it's just when they get over top of us, they're seeing us.
Okay.
I mean, it is what it is.
All right. Well, there we go. So we're going to just push the decoys out a little bit further that way they're not focusing on us. So see. Hopefully these changes will get these geese to land where we want them. Oh boy. All the way back. Jeez. This is a big goose.
We got about 20 on the ground right now. Sun came out. We're starting to get a little bit of wind. What we're kind of hoping to do is catch a few of these. They're heading back to water. They're just kind of trading right now. You're seeing a few hit in different fields and trading back and forth. So we're hoping to catch small bunches. We're not going to catch the big ones that are rolling off the roost like we were seeing earlier this morning, but there's going to be small bunches kind of just trafficking, hitting different fields, and we'll see what we can do. See if we can whack a couple more before it's all over. But last day of season, we're gonna give it all we got. We didn't absolutely smash them.
I always bet that's bad, but we'll be tails.
My bird. I know. Here. Well, today we ended the day with 24 geese. Not terrible for the conditions. I mean, it was warm, pretty cloudy, and no wind. I mean, anytime there's no wind like that, it gets tough. We probably could have ran another 15, 20 dozen decoys, really, and it would have probably helped us out. But
Just a little bit.
yeah, you gotta take what you can get. We shot into some pretty good bunches. They were definitely picking our hide out, though. I mean, our blinds were stubbled really good. We sloped our edges out awesome. We didn't have any shadows or anything, but man, when they get over top, they can just pick stuff out. We had a lot of blinds, a lot of guns, and they were picking us apart.
They were just acting real weird. We only had maybe half a dozen actually come in. The rest of them were just kind of
we were just kind of winging it, trying to scratch
see what
away.
we can do.
Yeah, but it's the last day. It's February 16th, last day of our unit's goose season. So now on to spring snows. We'll give it our last go.